Hey, so the C6S 9006 LED fog lights have arrived. So let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at these lights. So it's a fairly simple design, LEDs on both sides. There is a built-in fan, so if these things do get hot, the power coming from the factory harness will spin this fan if need be to cool it off. Good thing about this harness, there are clips on both ends because as we know, LEDs are polarity sensitive. So if you do plug it in this way, and for whatever reason it doesn't work, well, obviously due to polarity, it's going to flip it 180 degrees, put the factory harness in and clip it down, and boom, we will have light. So let's go ahead and head outside. Okay, so we're up under the truck now. So we're on the left side. I'm going to do the left side first. Over here is the fog lamp. All you're going to do is turn, and you're going to expose the current bulb. Let's see if you guys focus on that a little bit. All right, if you guys can. So boom, that's it. I suggest putting on some safety glasses, I don't know, depending on your truck, but mine's it's a tad dirty. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, unclip it. Oh man. Whoops. Hey, make sure you have a tighter grip than I did. They're a little snug. But anyway, you're going to take your new LED, place it in the hole, and twist. Now remember, like I said earlier, depending on the polarity, I'm just going to rotate the factory, will rotate the LED harness with the factory harness and just plug and play. I just need to go around and see if it works. So it didn't turn on, so I'm going to go flip the wire, turn it 180 degrees, and try that polarity. But the lights are on, so this one's still working. So we'll try that, and we'll come right back. So we switched polarity, and we have light now. It's definitely really bright compared to the factory light. So we're gonna go ahead and get up under the hood, change this light out, and repeat the process if necessary. Okay, moving on to the right side. Make sure you have like some safety glasses on, safety first. So your wheel well plastic, honestly, it'll just pop pretty much up. You don't have to take it all the way out. Just pop it up a little bit, give yourself some clearance. All right, if you can see this right here is the bulb. Bugs are out. So same as before, all you're gonna do is twist. I'm just going to take the factory harness off first. Then I'm going to twist, pull, save this bulb. I like the last one. Take the new LED, same as before. Just going to pop it in, twist till it locks. I have the connector. Hopefully I can get it right the first time. Plug it into the factory harness. And you can pretty much do all this with one hand. hold the well up. All right, so it's in. Now let's see if we have light. All right, easy install. We got the right side done the very first time. Easy installation. On the videos, it looks like it's flickering, but in real life it isn't. So I'm not really sure why it's doing that. But let's go to the night and get you guys a nighttime view.